Hi, I'm Craig Lowndes, proud ambassador for the Australian Road Safety Foundation. As a supercar driver, I know the importance of safety, speed and control. But for many Australians, the most dangerous thing we all do each day is being on or around our roads. That's why safety must always come first. Too many Australians lose their lives or are seriously injured on our roads each and every year. We can and we must make a difference. The Australian Road Safety Foundation, together with Supercheap Auto, has created Reflect on Road Safety stickers as a reminder to think about and to choose road safety. These stickers will be available from the 14th of August at selected Supercheap Auto stores across the country while stocks last. In promoting road safety, the stores will be encouraging customers to reflect on the way they use the roads. I encourage you to pop into your local store and find out more.